Welcome back to our channel, dedicated to providing you with valuable tips and tricks for enhancing your privacy on popular social media platforms. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to hide your location in Snapchat. By following these simple steps, you can have better control over your location privacy. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. You can find the Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Once Snapchat is open, tap on the account icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. On your profile page, look for the gear icon, which represents the settings. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings. Step 4. In the settings menu, locate and tap on See My Location. This option controls how your location is shared within the app. Step 5. To hide your location, enable Ghost Mode. This feature ensures that your location is not visible to other Snapchat users. By following these simple steps, you can effectively hide your location in Snapchat and have better control over your privacy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more privacy tips and tricks.